Hey everyone, welcome back to Facto. Today we're diving deep into the amazing world of geology with 20 fascinating facts that'll rock your world. Whether you're an earth science enthusiast or just love cool facts about our planet, this video is for you. So grab your hard hats, because we're going to dig up some serious knowledge. Let's jump in. 1. Did you know Earth is over 4.5 billion years old? That's older than the Moon, which was formed after Earth collided with another planet. 2. The Earth's crust, where we live, makes up less than 1% of Earth's volume. It's like the skin of an apple compared to the whole fruit. 3. The deepest hole ever drilled, the Kola super deep borehole in Russia, only reached about 7.5 miles down. That's just scratching the surface, less than 0.2% of Earth's radius. 4. Diamonds, one of the hardest materials on Earth, are formed deep in the mantle and only reach the surface through volcanic eruptions. 5. The Pacific Ring of Fire has over 450 volcanoes and is home to about 90% of the world's earthquakes. 6. Fossils are not just found in rocks, they're also found in amber, which can preserve tiny organisms from millions of years ago in amazing detail. 7. Earth has a unique water cycle compared to other planets, with oceans, rivers, and lakes, which all work together to shape the landscape. 8. The Grand Canyon exposes nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history in its layers, from ancient rock formations to more recent ones at the top. 9. Plate tectonics cause continents to move about as fast as fingernails grow, roughly 2 to 5 centimeters per year. 10. There are 3 main types of rocks: igneous, formed from lava or magma, sedimentary from layers of sediment, and metamorphic from intense heat and pressure. 11. Geologists estimate there are 4,000 to 5,000 different types of minerals on Earth, with new ones being discovered every year. 12. The Sahara Desert, once lush and green, started drying up around 5,000 years ago. Today, it's one of the most extreme desert environments. 13. Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation, is believed to be generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core. 14. Geodes. Those hollow rocks lined with crystals form in volcanic or sedimentary rocks when minerals seep into hollow spaces and slowly crystallize over time. 15. Limestone, a common sedimentary rock, is actually made from the remains of ancient sea life, including shells and coral. 16. Mount Everest, the tallest mountain above sea level, grows about 1/4 of an inch every year due to tectonic activity. 17. Earthquakes can cause other natural phenomena, like tsunamis, landslides, and even volcanic eruptions if they occur near volcanoes. 18. The Earth's outer core is so hot that it's in a constant molten state, but the inner core remains solid because of intense pressure. 19. Salt deposits in areas like the Dead Sea are remnants of ancient seas that dried up millions of years ago, leaving behind vast layers of salt. 20. Antarctica isn't just ice. It has mountains, volcanoes, and even ancient fossilized plants from when it was once a lush forested continent. All right, here's a question to test your new knowledge. What mineral is the hardest known natural substance on Earth?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is diamond. Formed under immense pressure and heat, diamonds are so hard they can only be scratched by other diamonds. Thanks for watching, and if you love these facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us for more incredible discoveries with Facto. See you next time.